Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're coming across a Microsoft Office or Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. error that says that your margins are pretty small. Some of your content might be cut off when you print. Do you still want to print? I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving this without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by just opening up whatever Office application we are experiencing this problem with. And you want to select the Layout tab. On the left side, there should be a margin section. So go ahead and just click inside the little drop down arrow underneath of that. And you want to select the area that says Custom Margins. Go ahead and left click on that. You want to select the Paper tab. And then where it says Paper Size, click inside the drop down here. And you want to set it to A4. And then once you've done that, and go ahead and select OK. And then once you're done with that, see if that has resolved the problem. Go attempt to print. See if you're not having any issues anymore. Another thing go ahead and try here would be to close out of here. And let's just close out of all this. Open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should go back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select additional troubleshooters on the right side. And then select printer, find and fix problems for printing, and then select run the troubleshooter. You would select whatever printer you are using, and then you would select next. Again, that will be specific in your case, and see if it resolved the problem from there. Just giving you guys another option to explore. But anyway, that should be about it. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.